try not to.
Okay, so you can see the alternators being hooked up right there. A lot of the electrical and interconnect now that we've added some more components to the front of the motor. It's coming out really good and looking good. Nice job.
This has to go down to. Got the map sensor plugged in, right? Yeah.
Once again, here's the plug. That's going to go on this side because we need some room. And then the fill cap is going to go over on the passenger side. Well, it was about 18 inches of flex there before it finally started lifting this thing. It's got such incredible flex. But we got to get underneath here because we got work under here to do. So now we have access. Okay, so got this cable that comes down through here, anchors on one of the bolts to the oil pan, comes around, anchors right there, and continues around over to the starter, okay? Okay, just an update. We're not hooking the exhaust up, so it'll come right out of the exhaust manifold right there. We're dropping the vehicle down. We're putting no belts on. There's no radiator. There's no hydraulic steering, obviously. But there's no reason that the motor can't turn over, start, and run for a little bit without some of these other systems hooked up, just to see what we have. And we're getting close to doing that. The starter's hooked up. Got to get some fuel up into those injectors, so we'll have to turn it over a little bit. Wow.
Nothing's going flying.
You got power, you got juice.
Ignition, fuel pump. Give it like 6 times. Go check the gauge on the firewall, see if we have pressure. Don't crank it yet. Yeah, you got 20 pounds. Should be going up. Yep. Hang on. I'll crank. Yeah, you got just over 80. Okay. All right, ready?
All right.
Ready?
Yep.
Clear?
Yep. Yeah, baby! Wow!
Jeez.
Damn!
You run.
Holy shit! Woo!
Whoa, NASCAR.
Damn!
Wow.
That thing was over the top!
That's wow. That's 70 pounds of oil pressure. It sounded like it was running.
Man, I can't believe that!
The injectors might be a little close.
Come on, baby. Almost. Son of a bitch, that's got to be 130 decibels right there, boy.
Yeah, that is noisy. Well, yeah, those injectors are flowing almost double the amount of fuel
Yeah.
that the old ones did.
Wow.
It's hard to sneak in there.
Okay, now we know that it runs.
It's up in there.
We're putting the exhaust pipes on. We're going to connect them up.
Up and over. I think it came through the front.
Good look at the Atlas transfer case right there. We don't see that often.
It took a weird twisting motion to get in there.
Okay, gaskets are in.
The wrench. Here, I got it right now. I can just tighten it. Okay. And then we'll give you guys the nuts.
Yeah. Okay, look at the exhaust clamp. It basically just mates up, and then there's a cup that goes around each side of the flange. Very nice.
I'll get
Got a
you
hanger right here Mike's working
one.
on.
I'm missing a washer. I gotta go find it.
Right there's the other hanger. Okay, a good look at the hangers right here. This is the passenger side. Come over here to the driver's side. And then there's another bracket that just kind of holds the exhaust to this support. Comes around, here's where the flange mate. This is good. Let's look at the passenger side. Very nice. Of course, this goes out to his muffler setup right there.
Oh, what are these little M6 bolts in here? Were these from the old heat shield? I think so, yeah.
All right,
They're like
he's
really
got
fine
some
thread. Yeah.
high temp exhaust
They're
here.
rusty, right?
So the O2 sensor is right there. See where my
Exactly
finger
where
is?
it's from.
And then there's a wire that's all plugged in. See it right here? There's the connection for the O2 sensor. New gaskets right here at the exhaust manifold. Just got to tighten those nuts up right there. Nice.
It's got a little bend in it. Oh, it gets hit pretty hard.
This is such a nice protector right here where the rear drive shaft comes down.
Oh, you got this side plugged in.
Yeah, I plugged it in. Yep, it's all
Okay, I'm
set.
gonna throw a zip tie on it.
Yeah, you should because the shifter's right there. Yeah, keep it out of harm's way.
Someone must tighten these. Get these all going. Yeah, these black oxide ones are working way better. Bad. Alright, good. I think those chrome ones, I don't know where they came from, they're just junk. I'll pull these off.
You can see his air line in here for his front locker.
We have to test that airline.
Yes, we do.
What's that? It's working.
Well, we put a new fitting in there.
Yesterday, the one I borrowed for Jim. Oh yeah.
Ball joint deletes.
The next few days. If it runs good enough to. Yeah. Yeah. I'll pull these ones off. These are trash. So. I got two more in my pocket. I kind of figured they would be. Alright, I'll take. They're Chinesian metal that Tim likes so much.
Skid plate.
Yeah, I think we'll pressure wash this whole other side while it's up on the lift before.
43-inch tires. Bead lock, of course. Nice to really look at this build up on the lift. I think this is my first time underneath the growler while it was up on the lift. It's nice to check out some of this shit.
What have you been doing all this?
I guess I've been sleeping. I don't know. Look at these freaking Summit arms. Look at these things.
I have to go through a nut and bolt this whole thing anyway.
Nice. Okay, we're going to turn it over again. Now it's going to run through the normal exhaust. Exhaust manifolds are hooked up. I'm going to work on some power steering. Okay, just trying to get a little more done. You can see the power steering reservoir is open. We're putting the belt on the motor. Gonna try working some power steering fluid in there.
I can remember how the belt went on the motor.
Yeah, we need the diagram.
Yeah, look at the diameter.
Right there's the tensioner. Crank that over a little bit and you can see the belt is all set on this motor.
That's a new belt too, so it's all we really need.
Just enough to move these wheels back and forth. It's fine.
Yeah, now if you put check valves in here, there's actually a manual pump in this Eaton steering valve.
So Colin's turning the wheels left and right. I'm adding the, oh, okay, there we go. You can see the air bubbles working their way out. Yeah.
Alright, going back the other way?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Colin's just manually turning the wheels left and right to their stops. I hear a lot of check valves in there clicking. Right in there, you can hear it.
You can feel it in the wheel too. Yeah, just feel a little bit of pressure.
Okay.
Yeah, feel it still cooler.
All right, the belt's on. He's starting the motor, and he's going to be turning the wheels now and trying to get some of this power steering fluid into the pump. Covers off of the reservoir.
All right, ready?
Yep. Nice job. All right.